Hello everyone, my name is Chetan and I'm from Bangalore. Uh, this, Today's discussion topic is very good and much interesting. The lockdown has more positives than negatives. Of course, when we look at the country as a whole, we are suffering some serious problems and this is a negative. But when we look at the individual perspective, I feel this lockdown is once in a lifetime opportunity to improve ourselves in a better manner. Just imagine, just go back to your school days and childhood. There, we used to get summer holidays for 1 or 2 months, and we did not have any smartphones or free internet. But we used to do things like we used to have the joy of creation at that time. We used to do drawings, we used to do arts, we used to do handicrafts, we used to learn cooking, we used to paint pictures, we used to write stories and whatnot. We had lots and lots of fun at that time. Of course, we used to travel to our natives and relative homes also, that but if we just skip the traveling, we used to have that fun or joy of creation. And now we have again got the summer holidays after a very long time. Okay, so I feel that we used to, or our main motto is to use this in a better manner. When we had nothing, that is when we did not have any technology, when we did not have any internet, when we did not have even the life experience also, we used to enjoy the things like that. But today we have smartphones, today we have internet, and today we have some life experiences. So by combining all these, we can have not only the joy of creation, but we can give something great to the world. It's our opportunity to do much more creative things. We can invent something, we can do researches on something, or if we are very much interested to serve the society, there is an opportunity. So this lockdown has provided an opportunity for everything. So I feel this lockdown is very much positive. And if anybody say that I'm not getting this particular time in the lockdown, I'm not able to use this lockdown properly, then I would feel sorry to say that those persons who would say like this, they lack motivation, they lack goals, and they lack discipline. Because when we get such opportunities, that too once in a lifetime opportunity, we need to use it at the fullest. We don't know that once the lockdown is lifted and things come to normal stage, we may not get the same time. We will be more pressured with our daily routines. But for for this 2 to 3 months, we are having our own time, and the country has made us to stay in our homes. We shall spend time with the families. We shall make understand each other. I really don't know how many of us have sat together with the family to have a lunch or a dinner. We are missing the family time, and this is the right time to mingle with our family. And the biggest threat for this lockdown is the smartphone. Let's keep our smartphone away and use it only for the limited purpose, and use only for the productive purpose. And let's have good family time. Let's play some games with the family. Let's learn something. Let's invent something. Let's even serve the society to how much are possible is our extent. Let's serve the society to that extent. I don't think that everybody can go out and serve the people. It's impossible. But we can share the knowledge we have. Okay. In fact, I'll share my experience in this lockdown. I have learned how to start a blog. I'm improving my writing skills. I'm doing research. I'm learning how to do research, and even I myself conduct Zoom classes on various topics with my peers. Okay, so I have used this lockdown productively to my extent. So similarly, you have various opportunities. You just think how we can plan, how this lockdown could be used in a productive manner, and let's have a great family time. And believe me, if we use this lockdown time of 2 months in a most productive manner, and if we spend the time with the family in a maximum time, then this will be a life changing event. We may not know that the planned and productive use of these 2 months can change our life forever. So I hope everybody will enjoy this lockdown and everybody will learn something, and let this holidays will be or may become the true summer holidays, the true holidays back with fun, creativity, learning, and family time. Thank you.